When we're studying your solution for manageability, there are a lot of ways we can assess its quality and compare it to competitors or earlier versions of your own solution. How many steps do I have to go through? How easy is that to set up? Is it a one-time setup and go? Is it possible to clone the setups of the first one and send them out to the others? It encompasses what are the right tools available from a given solution provider? How easy are they to use? How long do they take to use? And those can be very different things. A solution, for example, might take very few clicks or very few steps from a human, but might take quite a long time to do. Another might take a few more steps from a human, but happen much more quickly. All of these factors contribute to how well a given manageability solution works for you. All of these things fall under the manageability umbrella, and we have worked across all of them. And we can do a lot of things there that have nothing to do with benchmarks or performance. They have everything to do with time to do the things, steps to do it. How many interfaces? Are you working with what's commonly called a single pane of glass, one interface for a variety of tools? Or are you constantly having to start and start programs, jump from this program to that program to accomplish your manageability work? All of these factors weigh into which solution is going to be best for your clients and what the strengths of your solutions are. Today, with a significant number of workers working at home or remotely from offices, IT staff don't want to go to those locations, obviously. They want to manage PCs, deploy them, send fixes, updates to corporate images, whatever it is, they want to do that remotely. When the servers are co-hosted somewhere else or in a data center far from where their offices are or up in the cloud, it's still the same principles of manageability applying. But now the solutions absolutely have to be able to address things being far away. PT has worked across all of those concerns to help show off how well solutions handle these remote objects that they're managing.